Today, I'm going to protect my seatbelts with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up these. These are seatbelt protectors, covers, and they go over your seatbelt where it goes over your chest, over your shoulder right here. And now I have a unique need for these, but there are a lot of reasons that you might want these. You know, maybe your seatbelt just kind of cuts into you a little bit. Maybe you're wearing nice clothes and they kind of wrinkle them or something like that. So you want them to be a little softer, a little nicer, a little more comfortable. These things will just wrap around the seatbelt and give you that. But for me, it's when I'm out hiking, doing activities, working out. Maybe the weather is just hot and muggy, getting all sweaty. And basically when I get in there and buckle myself up, I can just feel that sweat soaking into the seatbelt. So I wanted to alleviate that problem and hopefully not make my car smell like a sweaty gym sock. So I picked these up. They're kind of cool looking. As you can see here, they have a PU leather material that is stitched with this diamond pattern. Now, they did have some other colors too. You don't have to get them in red, but you do get two of them. And I kind of wondered how they attach on. And they basically just have this Velcro right here. So it just kind of wraps around. If I open it up here, there is this kind of silky-like lining to it. They are slightly padded. They must have some sort of foam in there, but not heavily padded. Basically, the material itself is really going to do the padding for you, but these should be easy to install and hopefully give you a little bit more comfort. So let's try them out. So my guess is you probably don't need an install video here, but I'm just going to show you here that you can just wrap them around here and close them up with the Velcro. Now, one of the things that I think might be a little bit of a flaw here, which you can easily fix, is that everywhere I see these listed, they always have the nice side out. But what I think you want to do is actually put the Velcro side out. I guess putting the Velcro layer against your body will allow a couple of layers of this PU leather to be against your body. But if you don't want that seam or this edge on your body, maybe being uncomfortable, you could just put this edge against your body just like that. So that is probably the right way, in my opinion, to do this. It's almost like socks, like in Finding Forrester. He mentions that they are inside out, that you should have the seam on the outside so it's not pressing up against your toes. Dude, that's totally right. All right, so now when I get in the car, I can just pull this up here and belt up, and I can put this right against my chest just like that. Feels okay. It's not that long. I mean, it could stand to be longer, I guess, but you can kind of adjust it to where you want it to be. Now, I will also say that, I mean, it slides pretty easily, but it doesn't feel like it's just going to slide around on its own. So I think if you place this where you want it, say on your shoulder to be a little more comfortable, it's probably not going to move. For me, I wouldn't mind it right on the middle of my chest here because I'm all sweaty and gross. Some people might find that sexy, no one with a set of eyeballs, but I think this will help keep my seatbelt clean. It's not bad either. You know, if you've got a sporty little car, this might add 10 horsepower. No, it will not add anything to it. But hey, if you want to pick up this set of seatbelt protectors, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.